Hello, my name is Kakamurat Khadyrov. I am one of the founders of the national movement Turkmenistan Democratic Choice. This video addresses for people who is not careless and also human protection organizations such as Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, and Freedom Now, and others. As you know, Turkmenistan is a dictatorship country. He stayed in same line with Northern Korea. Nowadays, President Turkmenistan organized terror for own population because he would like to make changes for main law, country constitution. But people these days disagree them. And they start to make actions. As a result was captured Turkmen activist Allaberdiev, Pygamberdi from Balkanabad region. For a while time, against him was fabricated crime case. Right now he is in jail. President Turkmenistan actually organized terror for own citizenship in who stayed overboard. For example, our activist Taganova Dursoltan, 3 months right now in detention center in Turkey without any faults. Turkey government keeping her in detention center because Turkmenistan, specifically ambassador, asked to help to keep her to isolated in a detention center. And right now, I am asking everyone who is not careless to make a video challenge where we need to ask to get a freedom. Allaberdiev, Pygamberdi, Taganova Dursoltan, and other political prisoners in Turkmenistan. Thank you very much. I do apologize. English language is not my mother tongue. Thank you.